Warren Buffett rule number 1 is never lose money, and rule number 2 is never forget rule number 1. By keeping Buffett's investment advices in mind, investors can sidestep some of the common traps that damage returns and jeopardize financial goals. In this video, we talk about some best investing advices from Warren Buffett, so let's dive in. Invest in what you know and nothing more. One of the easiest ways to make an avoidable mistake is getting involved in investments that are overly complex. Many of us have spent our entire careers working in no more than a handful of different industries. We probably have a reasonably strong grasp on how these particular markets work and who the best companies are in the space. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. This doesn't mean we can't invest capital in these areas of the market, but we should approach with caution. There are too many fish in the sea to get hung up on studying a company or industry that is just too hard to understand. That is why Warren Buffett has historically avoided investing in the technology sector. Never compromise on business quality. Warren Buffett said, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." While saying no to complicated businesses and industries is fairly straightforward, identifying high-quality businesses is much more challenging. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy has evolved over the last 50 years to focus almost exclusively on buying high-quality companies with promising long-term opportunities for continued growth. He believed that, if you bought a stock at a sufficiently low price, there will usually be some unexpected good news that gives you a chance to unload the position at a decent profit, even if the long-term performance of the business remains terrible. When you buy a stock, plan to hold it forever. Once a high-quality business has been purchased at a reasonable price, how long should it be held? If you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Warren Buffett said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Warren Buffett clearly embraces a buy and hold mentality. He has held some of his positions for a number of decades. Furthermore, quality businesses earn high returns and increase in value over time. Just like Warren Buffett said, time is the friend of the wonderful business. Fundamentals can take years to impact a stock's price, and only patient investors are rewarded. Most news is noise, not news. There is no shortage of financial news hitting inbox each day. Does it really matter if Coca-Cola missed quarterly earnings estimates by 4%? Should Warren Buffett sell his position in Johnson & Johnson because the stock has slid by 10% since his initial purchase? The answer to these questions is almost always a resounding no, but stock prices can move significantly as these matters arise. Financial news outlets also need to blow up these issues to remain in business. As investors, we need to ask ourselves if a news item truly impacts our company's long-term earnings power. Know the difference between price and value. Warren Buffett said price is what you pay, value is what you get. Stock prices are pushed at us non-stop. For some reason, investors love to fixate on ticker quotes running across the screen. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything but the value of nothing. As long-term investors, we need to heed Warren Buffett's investment advice to buy quality when it is marked down in price. Be fearful when others are greedy. One of Buffett's most famous phrases is, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." This great sentiment is very true of our stock market and investing system. The bottom line is that you should avoid the stocks that everyone else is buying, as they probably are overvalued. Instead, look for the stocks that few people are paying attention to. Check their fundamentals and invest if it makes sense. So that's some greatest Warren Buffett investment advice. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if this video is valuable for you. For more videos like this, stay connected.